Welcome to Aalayam by Veerapaneni Infra Projects. Presenting Vizag's first-of-its-kind micro-gated community, a thoughtfully designed residential concept that houses just 10 premium families within an apartment enclave, yet offers the essence and privileges of a full-scale gated community. Our vision redefines urban living by blending intimacy, innovation, and intelligence. In this update, we're excited to share the latest construction milestones at Aalayam, our signature residential project by Veerapaneni Infra Projects. Although October had fewer working days, 20, owing to festival holidays, we made steady progress. The south phase elevation plastering is now fully complete, giving the building a fresh, finished look. On the east phase, we've launched elevation brickwork, marking a significant step forward. Electrical installations advanced as well. Our teams have completed pipe laying and installed metal boxes in flats 302, 401, and 402, so these homes are now ready for the upcoming plastering. For flats 101, 102, and 201, interior plastering has now been completed. Flat 202 is halfway finished, moving smoothly toward completion. Thank you for following our journey. Stay tuned as we continue building Aalayam, Vizag's first micro-gated community, with care and precision.